Irrigation is an essential tool to ensure the successful growth of a greenhouse garden. While choosing the right greenhouse irrigation system is crucial, newbies often get stuck with various available options. I was stuck too at the beginning of my journey. You know, there are mist, sprinkler, mist, sub-irrigations, drip systems, and whatnot. They all have certain distinct advantages of their own. Therefore, I have selected the best greenhouse irrigation systems to ease up the manual, time-consuming job of researching. But first, let's have a quick glance over the selected products. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best greenhouse irrigation systems. Let's get started. Number 5. Givon Automatic Watering System. If you are searching for a greenhouse irrigation systems, the Givon Automatic Watering System review on our list is ideal for you. We keep the Givon watering system on our recommendation list for the battery-operated option. However, you must fill up your water tank and install it in your greenhouse. Givon Automatic Kit can water around 10 potted plants and seedlings. Hereafter, you can set up the watering schedule on the timer from 6 to 59 seconds, 1 to 30 minutes. Also, it helps to set up the schedule from 1 to 24 hours and 1 to 30 days with fixed intervals even in the winter months. So you don't have to worry about when to water or how much water to use. Even when you are on a holiday trip, you can have some relaxation. Because irrigating plants and crops with Givon helps to provide the optimal environment and water for your greenhouse. This watering kit will require 1.5 voltage AA batteries to operate the system. Furthermore, you have to purchase the batteries separately. But you will get a water pump, different joint connectors, drip stakes, USB cable, filter, and user manual in the package. Number 4. Bossmere L451 Irrigation C24 Automatic Watering. The next product we have got on our list is the Bossmere L451 Irrigation C24 Automatic Watering. Bossmere introduces the L451 Automatic Irrigation System. Alongside, it helps to get rid of over and under watering problem. The kit can work on more than 12 to 24 pots and hanging baskets. It requires 3 rechargeable AA batteries to keep going on. Yet, you can drip the water nozzle more than 5 meters above from water tank. Beyond eco-efficiency, it reduces 90% of water usage and therefore water bills. You can connect this solar-powered system with the irrigation anti-siphon device. What's more attractive about this kit is this is a wireless greenhouse irrigation system that operates the equipment with solar power. It is a perfect choice for indoors, watering plants, wide or medium gardens, allotments, outdoor patios, and greenhouse soil. Number 3. MIXC 1x4-inch Mist Irrigation Kits. If you are looking for the best automatic water system for a greenhouse, you should check out the MIXV Mist Irrigation Kit. The noteworthy part of this irrigation system is that you will get several accessories with the water hose. According to reviews, most of the customers are happy with this kit. Nonetheless, the kit comes up with 39 pieces of barbed fitting and support stakes. Apart from the quick adapter, it includes different shapes of nozzles to spread a fixed amount of water on the plants. For the Mr. Flow rate, it offers 6.7 to 7 liters per hour. Furthermore, the watering system provides a 0.3 meter spray diameter and adjustable nozzles with 2 modes. You can use irrigation water management for lawns, swimming pool misting systems, patios, and greenhouses. Number 2. MIXC 226-foot Greenhouse Micro Drip Irrigation. You might be wondering why I am suggesting another MIXC. To be honest, MIXC is an excellent option for watering greenhouse plants. MIXC 226-foot can cover a good chunk of an area with the same amount of water. You can easily install this micro drip irrigation kit. The irrigation kit comes up with an adjustable nozzle emitter, 2 sizes of blank distribution tubing hose, sprinkler barbed T fittings, and other greenhouse irrigation supplies. MIXC Micro Drip System has a 4x6-way robust connector that can spread with more than 16 tributaries. With the feature, you can increase the water force and your crop can thrive more. Apart from all these, you can save 70% of water wastage while using this irrigation kit. It is compatible with roof cooling, swimming pool misting, potted plant, flower or vegetable beds, lawn, agriculture, greenhouse, and atomization. Number 1. Raindrip R560 DP Automatic Watering. Raindrip is one of the best drip irrigation systems because it comes up with many helpful features and durable materials. Also, it is easy to install with your water tank. Do you know what the best part of this kit is? Well, this drip system offers a timer and supply tubing. There are many advantages of the watering mechanism. It will save your time, money, and energy. Yet, the kit promotes plant growth 49% faster than other systems. Once you install the kit, it will water greenhouse plants even if you are not present. You don't have to hold the water tank and water the plants individually. Now you can enjoy your holidays without worrying about your greenhouse. Using this kit, you can water the seedlings, growing crops, and succulent plants in the greenhouse. It helps with the evaporation process of the excess water and keeps the moisture balance perfect. Therefore, it is highly suitable for watering greenhouse plants. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.